think a child probably needs mental health support? And as a parent, are there indicators for me to see, okay, I feel my child needs a mental health support?
So there are indicators. I think parents should always remain more aware of or vigilant with observing their children. And I look at indicators as maybe three. I put them into three categories. One is the changes you see in your child.
Okay.
Now, the large umbrella of changes would include changes in mood, if the child is suddenly quiet, remaining a little sad, etc. Second, changes in context of behavior, academics, if there's a sudden drop, a sudden disinterest in social behavior, physical changes, right? Because emotional stress often manifests itself physically for children as well as adults. So any change that you notice that is consistently there over a period of time, that is abrupt, that is not so usual, is one indicator. Any kind of traumatic experience, by which I would mean if there has been an episode of bullying in school, or if there has been a family crisis, a health emergency, or any kind of abuse that the child has either experienced or even witnessed. Again, that's an indicator. And the third, I would say, if there is anything that the child is communicating, any kind of communicated distress on the part of the child, because parents always tend to take it a little lightly. So if the child comes and says, oh, I'm feeling very lonely, a parent's first response is, it's okay, you will feel better. Or ignore it, or let it be. Sure, I understand that you're trying to help your child become stronger, but be vigilant to see if that keeps coming back, right? Expressed discomfort or expressed emotional disturbance must get the attention. So these are three core indicators. Let me also highlight here, every child who shows any of this above does not need mental health support.
How do we know that difference?
Yeah. So I think the way to look at it is if it has been consistently there over time, if you feel like it's disrupting with the child's routine, with your day-to-day functioning, and there's no harm in seeking support. See that every child having any of this above may not have a mental health issue, but they may be going through a phase where they need extra support.
Okay.
Now, whether that extra support is from a parent or from a teacher or from an external support in terms of a counselor or a school counselor or a clinical child psychologist, anybody, they are seeking support. So don't always worry that taking my child to a professional means that they must be having an issue. They probably just need some attention and support, and that's what you should reach out to a professional to clarify.